So we've been studying patients who had sensitizing mutations for BRAF for the last decade. And the patients with V600E BRAF mutations are similar to patients who have melanoma, where this was first pioneered. And a decade ago, we worked at that time with GlaxoSmithKline to put together a prospective study of 3 different cohorts of patients with these sensitizing mutations of BRAF. And the goal was to first test Dabrafenib by itself, and then Dabrafenib plus Trametinib. And at this meeting, we updated the results of the patients who were treated with the doublet therapy, Dabrafenib and Trametinib. One of the things that happens, and the thing that we published, is the information on how likely a person is going to be able to get long-term benefit from this. The thing that we presented is that, the response rate is present in the patients initially at around 60 to 70%. It's about 63 or 64% for the investigator and observed response rate. And the progression-free survival is about 10 months. The new information we presented here was seeing at 19% at 5 years for the previously treated patients and 22% at 5 years. And we consider this relatively encouraging. Now, the thing that we did to try to help find out why some patients might be responding for these prolonged period of time is taking a look at the other mutations besides the V600E that were present. And one of the things that we had observed is that those that had only the V600 BRAF on the panel that we studied had prolonged survivals that was between prolonged survival as well as prolonged progression-free survival for the patients who had only the V600E. The patients who had a variety of other mutations that were picked up by the panel that we used, for instance, exon 14C MET, an MTOR mutation, KRAS, additional BRAF mutations, had shorter progression-free survival. So we thought that was an important mechanism. The information about what other genetic changes that are acquired will be the subject of future presentations. We didn't present it at this particular meeting.